Today on the road, Hard Roadhouse, getting a few things done on the Impala. So let's get it started. This is about how high my car should be. The only thing it's going to be missing is the fuel tank, fuel, and the rear seat. I guess it would be putting the weight on this back seat, or this back tire anyway. But this is what it is, about the height that it will be with the hijacker air shocks in the back. Looks pretty good. What we're in. Is again. Went ahead and hopefully we can see this a little bit better. Degrease the motor. Get it on the way home from when I bought it, but didn't quite get a lot of it, so went ahead and did it again. Looks like this top piece that was up here, the plastic piece, has to come off regardless. The engine cover, whatever you want to call it, it has to come off regardless to get the hood closed. Now, I have a lot of people that said that this right here, I think is the fuel, some of the fuel. Anyway, they say that I can relocate that. I'm not sure if I can or not, but it looks to be the highest thing on the motor at this point. So hopefully we don't have to move that. So thank you for liking, subscribing, and the comments down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.